Once upon a time, two best friends, Alex and Lisa, embarked on an exciting journey to explore the beautiful country of Italy. They had been planning this trip for months, eager to immerse themselves in the rich culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. Alex: Lisa, can you believe we're finally here? Italy, the land of ancient ruins, delicious cuisine, and artistic masterpieces? Lisa: I know, Alex. It feels like a dream come true. I can't wait to experience everything this incredible country has to offer. Their first stop was the romantic city of Venice. As they wandered through the maze-like streets, they marveled at the grandeur of the canals and the charming gondolas gliding by. Alex: Venice is absolutely enchanting. Look at the beautiful bridges and the colorful buildings lining the canals. Lisa: It's like stepping into a fairy tale. I'm so glad we decided to explore this magical city together. They indulged in traditional Italian dishes like pizza, pasta, and gelato, savoring the authentic flavors that made their taste buds dance with delight. Next on their itinerary was the eternal city of Rome. They stood in awe in front of the magnificent Colosseum, imagining the gladiatorial battles that once took place within its ancient walls. Alex: The Colosseum is an incredible testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. It's mind-boggling to think about its historical significance. Lisa: Absolutely, Alex. The stories and legends surrounding this place make it even more captivating. They explored the Vatican City, admired the masterpieces in the Sistine Chapel, and tossed a coin into the Trevi Fountain, hoping for a return visit to Rome someday. Continuing their journey, they ventured into the picturesque region of Tuscany, known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval towns. Alex: The countryside of Tuscany is so serene and breathtaking, it feels like a painting come to life. Lisa: I couldn't agree more, Alex. This is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. They visited vineyards, indulging in wine tastings, and learned about the art of winemaking. They even tried their hand at making homemade pasta during a cooking class, laughing as they kneaded the dough and shaped the noodles. As their trip came to an end, they reflected on the incredible memories they had created together. Alex: Lisa, this journey has been beyond amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better travel companion. Lisa: Likewise, Alex. Exploring Italy with you has made this trip even more special. We've shared unforgettable moments and created a bond that will last a lifetime. With hearts full of gratitude and a sense of wanderlust ignited within them, Alex and Lisa bid farewell to Italy, knowing that their travel adventures were far from over. They returned home with a newfound appreciation for different cultures and a desire to explore more of the world together. And so, their travel tales continued, each journey strengthening their friendship and reminding them that the joy of discovery is best experienced with a dear friend by your side.